Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you the difference between MongoDB and RDMS. So in MongoDB uses collections. Normal relational databases something like SQL or other SQL databases, they use tables. In MongoDB instead of table we uses collection. Inside this collection we have document instead of rows. So in relational databases, if you know that table can contains multiple columns and rows, we have replacement of rows in NoSQL databases, especially in MongoDB, which is document. So collections is like the table. So learn here carefully. Collections is like a table, document is like row, and field is like a column. Instead of using table, row, column terminology, we are going to use collection documents and fields. So here you have to just remember that in MongoDB we have using collections. So in RDBMS we set the table. So that table in Mongo we have going to call collections. Okay. In normal RDBMS we are going to we know the row terminology. So in Mongo row we are going to call documents, and for column we are going to call fields, right? Okay, stay tuned for more update and more videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.